Okay, so we are telling folks, first of all, look at how hard people are working. It's dark, the office is empty, and yet this dedicated staff is here. Tomorrow is the start of the General Assembly 2023, Virginia. Woo-woo.
Actually, when you see this, today is the start of the General Assembly. That's right.
You're giving away all the media secrets. Shh. Okay, so what is the General Assembly and why should people care?
Sure. The Virginia General Assembly is our state legislature. You know Congress. Congress is the federal legislature. The Virginia General Assembly determines the law all over the Commonwealth of Virginia. And there's a lot of things that fall to the federal government, but there's a ton of things that fall to the state governments to decide. Things like the way we treat incarcerated people, how much money goes toward affordable housing, what sort of medical practices our healthcare providers can use. All of these are important reasons to care about what happens at the Virginia General Assembly.
So what is VICPP doing there?
VICPP is going to be fighting for justice, economic, social, and racial justice in the Commonwealth of Virginia. So VICPP, this year's General Assembly, we are going to be focusing on limiting solitary confinement, on reducing fees and prison profiteering, on expanding access to maternal health care through unconscious bias training and implicit bias training, through maternal health hubs. We're going to be focusing on expanding affordable housing and tenant protections. And we're also going to be pushing for an expansion of paid sick days so that all workers in Virginia can get paid when they need to take time off for their health.
So what can folks do to get involved?
We need you to participate in the work of the ICPP at the General Assembly. Legislators don't really care what I think, but they do care what their constituents think. And so you, as a voter, as a resident of the Commonwealth, your voice matters and your voice makes a difference in the way that your elected officials vote. So I want you to go to virginiainterfaithcenter.org. I want you to click on the sign up or email list link, and I want you to sign up so that you get the action alerts that matter to your district and your legislator.
Yes. Oh, don't ever put me on, because I can never beat that.
You don't have to.
I can never beat that. I'm like, is she thinking of all of those things so fast?